students. Dear students, welcome to online class. We will wait few more seconds till the students are joining. Only few students joined the class, so we will wait few more minutes to start the class. Wait for few more minutes. Dear students, we are ready to start the class now. Few students were messaging that they are having network problem, but we are going to start the class within 1 minute. Exactly 11:30 we are going to start the class. So now 11:29 is the exact time, so exactly 11:30 we are going to start the class. So be with us. So now we are ready to launch the class, or we are ready to start the class. This is the experimental class. This is an experimental class. We are conducting, this is live class for 9th class, and other class students can also join, but for 9th class it is very useful. Other class students can also join, but within few minutes, within few seconds we are going to start the class. Once class start, then we will not stop, so that please be with us. We are set to start the class. class. Few more students are joining the class, but till okay, now we are going to start the class. Okay, dear students, welcome to online classes, Government Adarsh Vidyalaya. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is polynomials. So we already discussed introduction of the polynomials. We already discussed introduction of the polynomials, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and also we discussed about polynomial, coefficients, constants, all those things. If you not seen that class, then you can search and see the other video which are present in YouTube. So now if you see here polynomial, we will start. Before going to start, we will just refresh all those things which we already discussed in the last class. First, monomial. The algebraic expression which is having only one term is called monomial, right? The algebraic expression which is having two terms is called binomial. The algebraic expression which is having three terms is called trinomial. We already learned all those things. And polynomial, we know that the polynomial which can be right like this also. For example, the algebraic expression which is having a positive exponent, that means the power should be in positive. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, anything it may be, but it should have the positive power or positive exponent. So we already learned all these things. Now we will discuss a very different thing which is directly related to your syllabus. First, we will see linear equation, one second. One second. There is a technical problem. Polynomial in one variable. So, polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in what? The polynomial which is having only one variable is called polynomial in one variable. Example, if I write 3x square plus 3x plus 7, here we are written 3x square plus 3x plus 7, right? In this equation we are having x square and x, but this is only one variable, not two variables. X and x both are same, so it is having only one variable. So that polynomial in one variable we can call it as polynomial in one variable. If we write 4x square plus 3x minus 8, this is also polynomial in one variable. If we write minus 3x plus 7, then this is also polynomial in one variable. But if we write 4x square plus 7y minus 8 like this, then this is not a polynomial in one variable, just because we are having x and y as variables. Two variables are there, so we can call it as a polynomial in two variables. But polynomial in one variable means you can write any polynomial, but there should be only one variable. Now, one more point we will discuss. If it is like this, 3x plus 7, it is a polynomial in one variable, we know. But highest power, what is the highest power is power here? Here the highest power is 1, right? So this is called linear polynomial in one variable. Linear polynomial in one variable. If you write like this, 4x square plus 3x plus 9, here the highest power, highest power is 2. So we can call this as quadratic polynomial. If it is having power 2, quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial means the power should be 1. Quadratic polynomial means power should be 2. If the power is, that means 5x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 8. If you write like this, here the power, highest power, what is the highest power here? 3. So this is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Once again I am going to repeat this. 3x plus 7, that means here the power is only 1, highest power is 1, that is a linear polynomial. Here is the highest power 2, that is quadratic polynomial. Here highest power is 3, so this is called as cubic polynomial. But here highest power, whatever we used, this highest power is also called as a degree. Highest power or highest exponential number, that is called degree. Highest power is called degree. Highest power of a equation or highest power of a polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. This degree of the polynomial is also important for your syllabus. Just if you observe here, what is the degree of the polynomial? 3. It is the degree of the polynomial is 2. Here the degree of the polynomial is 1. If you see any equation, for example, I am going to write some more examples here. 6x plus 7x cube plus 8x square minus 3. Here, if you observe, first we are having, in the first term we are having power 1. Here power 3, here 2. So which is the highest? Here 3. 3 is the highest power, right? So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Degree is 3. The degree of the polynomial is 3 here. If you write one more example, for example 4x cube plus 7x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 8 minus 9x, then here what is the degree of the polynomial? If anybody asks, we can give the answer easily. Here 3, here is 4, here is 8, here is 1, right? Which is the highest power? 8 is the highest. So degree is 8 here. Degree of the polynomial is what? Degree is 8, or degree of the polynomial is 8. Like this we will find the degree of the polynomial also. Now one more point we are going to discuss here. If I write 4x square minus 3x plus 7. If I write like this is the equation, or this is a polynomial in one variable, right? Now tell me, what is the coefficient of x square here? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? We know coefficient of x square is always behind that particular variable. A variable ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? So what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 4. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x. See here, coefficient. Here is x. Behind the x is minus 3, right? So minus 3. Coefficient of x is minus 3. Right? If I write one more, 7x cube minus 8x square plus 9. Tell me, what is the coefficient of x cube? Coefficient of x cube is 7. Coefficient of x cube is 7 here. Coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 8. If it is minus, then minus. If it is plus, we can write plus also. So here is minus. So coefficient of x square is minus 8. So we can write any coefficient in any polynomial. Whatever we want, we can write. But whatever they will ask, we have to write. In your textbook, they given to find the coefficient of x square. The in a first exercise of the polynomial chapter, they given what is the find the coefficient of x square in the equations or polynomials. They given like that. You can solve like that also, like this also. Now, very important point. One more, that is the value of the polynomial. All these points which we already discussed, right, in the first chapter. This is that just a small introduction, very quickly I have given, right? So now value of the polynomial, it is very important that we have to solve or we have to learn. Value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial. Now, what is the value of the polynomial, or how to find the value of the polynomial? We have to think and solve the problem. First, I am going to write this problem. Find the value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial. That polynomial I am going to write p of x is equal to 8x. I am going to take a simple problem now. Plus 3 at. They will give the value of x also. Here variable is x. So they give the value of x. If it is y, then they will give the value of y also. 0. 8x is equal to 0. Now we will solve the problem. Solution. How we are going to solve this problem? Just observe and learn carefully. Just see carefully and learn in a very good manner. Just observe here, p of x is equal to 8x plus 3, right? This is the equation or the polynomial they given. First point. Second, what they given the value of x? X is equal to 0. So write 0 in the place of x. Wherever x, you just replace with 0 instead of x. That's all. X ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು 0 ಹಾಕಿ. That's all. So here x is equal to 0, right? Plus 3. Observe here, x will be 0. That means instead of x we written 0. 8 is 8 only. X is nothing but 0. Plus is plus, 3 is 3. Now p of 0 is equal to 8 into 0. What is 8 into 0? We know that anything into 0 is equal to 0. So 8 into 0 is equal to 0. That is 0 plus 3. So that p of 0 is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So we solved the problem, or we found the value of a polynomial which they given. That is the polynomial of p of x is equal to 8x plus 3. Value we found where it is 3. That means p of x is equal to 3 here. So this is the method to find the value of a polynomial. One more problem. I will give just the problem here. Just observe. Find the value of polynomial p of x is equal to 7x square minus 3x plus 9 at x is equal to minus 2. At x is equal to minus 2, right? So we are going to solve the problem now. Solution. Just write the polynomial. Which is the polynomial? P of x. This is the polynomial, right? So p of x is equal to 7x square minus 3x plus 9. This is the polynomial. What is the value of x here? The value of x is nothing but minus 2. So put the value of x, that is minus 2. Why we taken minus 2 only? Because they given the value of x also. So p of minus 2 is equal to 7. Here 7 is 7. X square is there, right? What is the value of x? Minus 2. Write that minus 2 in bracket. Write that minus 2 in bracket. And here is square, so bracket square. So that 7 into bracket open minus 2 bracket close whole square. Right? So if you observe minus 3 into x is there, so we will write that minus 2 because x is equal to minus 2 plus 9. So we written like this. Next point, p of minus 2 is p of minus 2 only. 7 I will write this 7 only. I will put this bracket. First observe here minus 2 is there, right? Minus 2 is here. Minus 2 whole square is there. Just observe this minus 2 whole square. Anything square is equal to what? For example, a square is what? A into a. Like this, minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. What is minus 2 into minus 2? Plus 4, right? So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 or only 4, not minus 4, because minus into minus is becomes plus. Then next point, we are going to write that next point. Observe now. We know that here minus 2 whole square is equal to what? Plus 4. Then minus, here is minus and here is also minus. What is minus into this minus? Minus into minus is plus. So write this plus. 3 to the 6. This is the plus. So write this plus also. Once again I am going to explain the step here. here 7 is 7 only, right? Minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Why? Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Minus into minus is plus 3 2 is 6. Then this plus 9 as it is written here. Next, P of minus 2 is equal to. Now, plus is here, plus is here. Nothing means plus. So, plus into plus is plus. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are, we have to multiply it, right? Then, plus 6, plus 9. Add all those numbers, then you will get the value of polynomial. 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 9, 43. Right? 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 9 is equal to 43. Once again, I am going to explain this. They given the polynomial P of x, right? Which is equal to, we written 7x square minus 3x plus 9. That is the given thing. Next, they given as x is equal to minus 2. So that P of minus 2 is equal to 7 as it is. X means minus 2. So we written minus 2 whole square. Then minus 3 we written x value is minus 2. So we written minus 2. 9 is as it is, we written 9. Next, P of minus 2 as it is, which is equal to 7 as it is, minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So we will write that plus 4 or 4 as it is. Then minus into minus is plus. 3 2s are 6 plus 9 as it is. Next, 7 4s are 28 because plus into plus is plus. 7 4s are 28 plus 6 plus 9 we written as it is. Then 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 9, 43. This is the answer we got, or the value of the polynomial is 43 here. So we are going to solve the problem like that. So one more problem. Find, this is the third problem. Find the value of polynomial P of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 8. Once again, we have to solve the problem. We are going to start the problem like this. How? First, once again, one thing I forgotten. What is that? At, I am writing this, at x is equal to any value you can take, or any value they can give, right? So I am going to write as 3. Okay, I will take the value as 3. So solution. Now we are going to solve the problem. Observe here, they given P of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 8, right? So now P of x, what is the value of P of x? Here we have to find the P of x, but what is the value of x? 3 is there. So P of 3 is equal to 4 into x cube is there, so x value is 3 and cube is cube here only. So 4 into 3 whole cube minus 4 into bracket 3 whole cube, right? Minus 3 x square, x is 3, so 3 bracket square plus 7 into bracket 3 minus 8. This is the problem. So we written one step here. Now next step, P of 3 is equal to 4 is 4 only. Now what is 3 cube? 3 cube is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. Here if it is minus, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? -3 into -3 into -3, that is minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 27 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. But now it is plus, right? Plus. So all will be plus and this will also plus. Plus into plus is always plus. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we can write this as plus 27. So this is as plus 27 minus 3. Here 3 square plus 3 whole square. 3 3s are 9. So we will write this as 9. Next, here is plus, here is also plus. Plus into plus, plus. 7 3s are 21. Minus 8 is here, so we will write that minus 8 as it is. Now, P of 3 is equal to 4 into 27. We have to solve this carefully. Because here is plus, plus into plus. If here is minus, then minus into plus will become minus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus idre minus into plus minus ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. But both are plus, so we will write plus only. 27 into 4. How we are going to solve? 4 7s are 28. Carry 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. So 108, right? So 108 is there. Next, minus into plus minus. Observe now. Here plus into plus is plus, so plus 108. Here minus into plus is minus. 3 9s are 27. Next, plus 21 minus 8 we written as it is. Now 108 plus. First you just mark or underline positive numbers. 108 minus plus 21. Both equal to 129, right? 129. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 129 ಆಯ್ತು. 108 plus 21. Then minus negative numbers. This is also negative number. This is also negative number. Minus 27 minus 8. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ minus 35 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? That minus 35 we can write like this, minus 35. Now solve. 9 minus 5 4. Here is carry 1. 12 minus 3 is 9 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer? Here is 94. Just check if it is right or wrong. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if we written wrong, then the whole problem will be wrong. So you just write carefully this number. Observe now once again. 108 plus 27. Both are positive, so we add it. That is 129 minus 27 minus 8. Both together minus 35. So 94. So this is the answer which we solved. If you having few more, if you want, we can solve few more problems also. If you just observe one thing, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು we learned how to find the value of a polynomial, right? I will write one problem here, fourth problem. Just observe and then just observe it, then I will explain. If find the value one thing, just I am writing this polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x minus 3 at, right? You just find the value, right? At x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. Then P of 1 is equal to 3 into x is 1 minus 3 is here, minus 3 we written. P of 1 is equal to 3 ones are 3 minus 3. The value is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We got 0, right? So that we can say that here ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. x is equal to 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, that value makes this polynomial 0, right? x is equal to 1 value makes this whole equation p of x is equal to 3x minus 3 equal to 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x is equal to minus 1 ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈ polynomial ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿತು 0 ಮಾಡಿತು. So that x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. What? X is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, here we can write that here x is equal to 1 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. 0 0 of the polynomial. If you observe once again, then we will easily understand. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ zero of the polynomial concept. Zero of the polynomial means what? You take any polynomial. For example, p of x is equal to 4x minus 3, right? If the value of this equation, at x is equal to something ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. So if you write x value anything, I am just leaving this box, this bracket empty. Just observe. 4 into empty minus 3. If something I written in this bracket and I find the value means I get 0 as the value. 0 value ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ zero of the polynomial. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will makes the polynomial, whole polynomial, it will makes the value of the whole polynomial as 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ 0 ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, 0 of the polynomial. So that here x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, right? If you observe this problem, p of x is equal to 4x minus 8 at x is equal to 1. I return randomly. Find the value here. P of 1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 8, right? P of 1 is equal to 4 ones are 4 minus 8. We know that 4 is smaller number, 8 is higher number, but minus 8 is smaller number, 4 is higher number here. ಹೌದಾ? 4 ದೊಡ್ಡದು, so 4 ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, 8 ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 8 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? minus 8 only. So we know that minus 8 plus 4, we write like this, and 8 minus 4 is 4, and the bigger number is minus, so we will put this minus here. We learned this in 6th class, right? So what is the value of 4 minus 8? Minus 4. So minus 4 value is there. So the value of the polynomial is minus 4 and it is not a 0. Therefore what we can write here, x is equal to 1 is not 0 of the polynomial. That's it. Not 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. That means what? Any value, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, if you take any value of x and put in the polynomial, if the value of the polynomial value 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that x value, that is x is equal to 1 is 0 of the polynomial. But here this value is not 0, then it is not a 0 of the polynomial. We have to remember only one thing. The answer, we know how to find the value. If value is 0, then we can write x is equal to anything. ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, x is equal to 1 is there here, so x is equal to 1 is 0 of the polynomial. But here minus 4 is there. If it is positive number, negative number, anything it may be, but if it is not 0, then it is not 0 of the polynomial. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈ ರೆಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, this value, if this value is 0, then it is 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise it is not 0 of the polynomial. That's all. We have to remember this thing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ 0 ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ 0 ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ 0 ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ p of x is equal to something or p of y is equal to something at x is equal to something. ಹಿಂಗಾದ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ here x minus 1 is 0 of the polynomial ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಹೌದಾ. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವೆರಿಫೈ ವೆದರ್ the polynomial is zero of the polynomial or not ಅಂತ ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. So if you are having any doubt regarding this chapter, you can ask me through comment or through WhatsApp. So you can ask in any manner. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳೋ ಬದಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ use this social media very effectively to learn only, not to use as entertainment ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಆರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, you use it as a learning material, but you are not using that textbook as entertainment material. But you can use the mobile or laptop as entertainment purpose, but don't use that mobile or laptop or anything, any gadget as entertainment purpose just because you are not so ಅದೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕೆಲಸ ಇನ್ನು ಓದೋದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲರ್ನ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.